Would you believe me if I told you that you could profit off of your passion? I know I probably sound crazy. And to be honest, if I were hearing this message just a few short years ago, I would think I was just as crazy as well. I, for a long time, lived the standard for Americans. You know, go to school K through 12, then you go to college, then you get a good job, then you retire after 50 years of putting your whole heart and life into it. But for some reason, I never felt fulfilled. I had this burning desire inside of me that I wanted to share with the world. And it wasn't until I decided to start creating courses to be able to share it with other people that I realized this was really life-changing. When I launched my very first course, I was able to make more in 1 hour than I had made in the previous month at my 9-to-5. And that's when everything shifted for me. And I decided that I needed to share more of my desires and my passion with the world, that the world actually needed to hear my voice, just like they need to hear yours. Now, it's my desire to teach other people to do the same, to take their passion and package it up and then profit from it. In my upcoming training, I'm going to walk you through the 10 steps that you need to take to create a course that actually sells. And the best part about it is you don't have to have a huge following. You don't even have to be an entrepreneur or have a desire to be an entrepreneur. All you have to do is have a passion that you're willing to share with the world. If you're ready to get started, use the link to sign up, and I can't wait to see you.